Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you concerned about the amount of omega-6 fatty acids in your diet? In this video, I'll share information about the three types of dietary fats. What is a PUFA? Are they essential or deadly? And the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids for 19 cooking fats and oils. First, there are three types of dietary fats. They are saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. All fats and oils have these three fats in different percentages. They're classified by their predominant fat. Most people know olive oil is a monounsaturated fat. Corn oil at 55% polyunsaturated fat is classified as a polyunsaturated oil. You may have heard or seen the acronym PUFA. It stands for polyunsaturated fatty acid. Safflower oil is one vegetable oil high in polyunsaturated fat. In recent years, polyunsaturated fat has come under attack. Search the internet for PUFA and you will find websites warning about the deadly consequences of a diet high in polyunsaturated fat. These same websites typically promote low-carb diets such as paleo and keto high in saturated fats like butter and coconut oil. They claim polyunsaturated fats are unstable and saturated fats are stable. Most credible research studies show a dramatic decrease in heart disease when participants replace saturated fats with polyunsaturated fats. Ironically, most low-carb diet plans recommend using olive and avocado oil high in monounsaturated fat. Olive and avocado oils are usually sold in dark-colored bottles to reduce light exposure and oxidation, whereas most polyunsaturated oils are sold in clear bottles. So who's right in this debate? On the one hand, fad diets claim PUFAs are deadly and should be avoided. On the other hand, they recommend eating a high omega-3 diet. The rationale against polyunsaturated fats is that they are unstable and easily oxidized, producing free radicals. They're high in inflammatory omega-6 and have a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. There's one small problem with their polyunsaturated fat theory. Omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats. The US FDA's Nutrition Facts labeling rules requires listing saturated and trans fatty acids, but does not require listing the amount of polyunsaturated fats in foods. Nutrition Facts labels for oils and fats usually list all four types. This peanut oil has 4 grams of polyunsaturated fat per 14-gram serving. 4 grams equals 4,000 milligrams. Peanut oil has 0 grams of omega-3 and about 4,500 grams of omega-6. Differences between the label and actual amounts are due to rounding. Some takeaways from this segment are that polyunsaturated fatty acids are mainly omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids. Polyunsaturated fats are more stable than claimed. People condemning polyunsaturated fats usually promote eating high saturated fat diets. Current research continues to support a high polyunsaturated, low saturated fat diet. The debate continues about the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3. The same websites warning about polyunsaturated fats also recommend eating a diet with a low ratio of omega-6 to omega-3. Almonds and coconuts are popular keto and paleo foods. Both are 100% omega-6 fatty acids. Currently, there is no ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3. Having normal blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglycerides are better indicators of good health than the amount of omega-6 in your diet. The final segment of this video provides the ratios of omega-6 to omega-3 for common cooking fats and oils. Beginning in alphabetical order with almond oil, the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 is 0 because almond oil has 0 omega-3 fat. Avocado oil, a popular low-carb diet oil, has a ratio of 13:1. Beef tallow is about 5:1, and butter made from cow's milk about 8.5:1. Much feared canola oil has one of the best omega-6 to omega-3 ratios at 2:1. Coconut oil, highly promoted by many low-carb diets, has no omega-3 and no vitamin E. Corn oil has a relatively high ratio of 46:1. Duck fat comes in at 12:1. Polyunsaturated flaxseed oil has an omega-6 to 3 ratio of 0.2:1. The ratio for lard is about 10:1. Soft margarine comes in at around 9:1. Hard margarine comes in at about 11.4:1. Olive oil also has an omega-6 to 3 ratio of about 11.4:1. The ratio for peanut oil is 0 since it has 0 omega-3. The same is true for safflower oil with 0 omega-3. Sesame oil, commonly used in Asian cooking, has a ratio of about 138:1. Vegetable shortening comes in at about 11:1. Finally, the ratio for soybean oil is about 7.5:1, and sunflower oil with no omega-3 has a ratio of 0. In summary, fats and oils that are 100% omega-6 include almond, coconut, peanut, safflower, and sunflower. If you're looking for a low ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, your best bets are flaxseed, canola, tallow, soybean, butter and margarine, and shortening. High ratios of omega-6 to 3 include corn oil and sesame oil. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.